Hi everyone, it's Spa Guy Dave in Pennsauken, New Jersey, back again with another beautiful pre-owned hot tub. And it's a great opportunity to get a hot tub this Mother's Day. Treat the mom to this beautiful spa. I've been promising a spa again for under $3,000. We like to mix it up a little bit. This spa is $29.50. $29.50 gets you a complete spa package. This 2015 Premium Leisure Go Spa seats 4 to 5. I'm going to call it a 4-seater comfortable as it measures 84 inches at 7 foot by 72. So 6 foot by 7 foot, a lounger along with 4 bucket seats. One's a little smaller, so we're going to call it a 4 adult comfortable hot tub. It's a beautiful, beautiful, great little tub. A terrific first hot tub, or you're downsizing something and just a tad smaller than something big, or you're an Airbnb homeowner. This tub is perfect. It's durable. It's made in America, in Florida. Just a great little tub, 20 jets, powered by a nice powerful pump. It's got great pressure, all you need to sit back and enjoy the hot tub. It has some nice updates to it, a new rebuilt pump installed, a new heater, new spa pillows, brand new spa cover in vinyl. That's a $600 spa cover. It does come with a lifter, so it's got a mechanical lifter, a set of steps, everything you need in sterling silver marble, beautiful color, LED, 7 colors total in this LED light system. A little waterfall, nothing impressive over there. New filter, just a pretty tub. The mocha or the Java cabinet in the coffee color is just beautiful. It looks great. So holding up terrific. It's just a really nice, durable spa package for under $3,000. Land in your backyard with a chemical package too, with a warranty, with free delivery and spa indoctrination. We always want to teach you how to do your chemicals, how to maintain, so the spa will last for years and years. And this tub will provide many years of enjoyment. So I hope you like the video. Hope you have an opportunity to get this spa. It's a great Mother's Day gift. What a wonderful surprise to say, hey, hon, check out this hot tub I just bought you. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please click like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I'll be adding more hot tubs soon. As you can clearly see, here's a beauty, right? More tubs coming, so please stay tuned. Watch the channel. Be ready for these beautiful pre-owned hot tubs. Nobody else does it like us. We are the king of pre-owned hot tubs in New Jersey, Eastern Pennsylvania, Northern Delaware. We know how to do it because we do it right. So thanks for watching, everyone. Happy Mother's Day. This is Spa Guy Dave.